find this printable sewing pattern in the description. Cut and glue all parts together with a sticky tape. This pattern is suitable only for stretchy fabrics. I cut sleeves on folded fabric. Don't forget center fold while cutting front and back parts. Add seam allowance. I suggest 1 centimeter. Sew vertical sleeve seam. Sew vertical side seams and shoulder seams. I use overlock seam. Sew sleeve into the armholes. Finish the edges of this top. I use baby lock seam.